Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play a little bit just on this 8-inch MDF board that I painted with titanium white. Probably you all know Jessica Winterstrom, Jessica from Winterstrom Art. Love you, Jessica. She does this beautiful hide and reveal and then do a blowout just quickly. And when I do my flower dips and use pearl white, I normally do that to try if my pearl white works. But today I will try to do kind of a flower pattern with it. I just have some titanium white mixed here. This is just paint with my pouring medium and water to consistency, and I think that I need quite a lot of paint for this because I will not add a lot for the flower. Air bubbles real quick. They are still here. And I think that this is sorry, abalone from these little piggy pigments. I will just add some paint here in the middle, and I will use some pearl white for some effects. This is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and my pouring medium again. This is Prussian phthalo by Amsterdam. I will do just a simple technique. This is some mix of some metallics and blues that I have here in the cup, and I have some gold. I don't know if this is okay to add two metallics next to each other. And then I will add some pearl white again. And a little bit of black on top, and then I will blow into this. I don't know if this will work at all, but if you don't try, you don't know. Whoop! Splattered way much more than I wanted. Now I will wait for the paint to gather back in the middle. I love this part, but I kind of screwed up because I didn't blow directly down, I think. Maybe I can try this once more, or should I leave it? But I'm kind of not happy with the bottom part. I wish that I would blow directly down, that I would have the same thing all over. The canvas. Let's wait for a second and think about it. Let's try again. It's an experiment, you know. I will add just a little more white here where I will add my paints. So I will layer them the same. This is abalone, I think. I didn't add any pearl white this time. I will just add it around to maybe get some lacing. And here, before I will add black. This is not, there is no cell activators or nothing. This is just all the paints are mixed with my pouring medium. Better. Now I will wait for paints to gather back in the middle. Maybe if I would have canvas, I could press in the middle and I would be, you know, I would be able to gather the paint in the middle faster. We'll just grab this tool. Still not exactly perfect here in the middle, but I still like it. Let's give it a little torch. And now I will spin it out. And because there is no house paint here, don't need to worry to spin a lot off. I can leave paint on the canvas. It will not affect my paints. At least I hope so. I really like this middle flower. Yeah. I wish that I would have a little more lacing or something, but I like it. So let me just clean this a little bit that I can see the composition clearly. I grabbed the weirdest palette knife that I could. I'm happy. Yay! I will definitely try this again, but with a little more intention. I'm just trying to, I get some lacing here around because of my pearl white, but I would love to have just a little more. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. But maybe I will leave it because I have one there too, here, like a stone or something, so. Oops. And my white had a ton of bubbles because I did shake it before I did this pour, but oh my god, I love it! And it's so easy. Nera. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up of the dried result, and I really like it. Oh. I will try to show you the shimmer and that abalone turns from gold to turquoise and gold to turquoise and green, kind of. I lost a lot of the gold that I put in, so I will definitely try this once more, and maybe this time do a gold here on top. Yeah, I will do that. But it's definitely a beautiful flower painting, I think, and it's really easy to do. Share your thoughts in comments, subscribe, share, like, you know, all the good stuff. Thanks for being here, and see you on the next one. Bye!